Hello everyone, I'm Tom Palmer with Tom Palmer Custom Daisy Rifles in Mulder, Oklahoma. This is Saturday, August the 9th, 2025. This is part 2 of 3. This is the second gun in this series. It is also another 105B. Let's see if we can get that up there and see. Let's see if we can get that in there. There you go, 105B. And this is a conversion rifle that I've done. It's got a 499B rear sight. It's got a custom globe front sight. My friend Ben makes for me for these conversion rifles. This is a muzzle loader using a 499B shot tube, and this gun does not have a air tube. So it's a little faster than the last one. The last one that I showed, part 1, was a 105B also, but it was a rattle trap, and it used used one of these for the. You gotta have that for the feeder, for the BBs, and then I used a 1938B or a 499B shot tube, and it's hard to get these two to mate. That's the trick in itself, because this top part is plastic, the bottom part is some kind of pop metal, and you can't just tap it and screw it in like you'd think. You have to, it's just a different animal. But anyway, this one is basically got the guts of a 499B. Uses a plunger like this. This one here don't have the spacer. This gun I'm shooting don't have the spacer on it, but it's got the plunger and a head like a 499B. And so anyway, we're going to do a little shooting and get some chronograph testing. And like I said, this one is a little faster than the last one. The last one, for a rattle trap, pretty good. It averaged 368, and I think I ended up shooting it like 11 times, and so that was a good average. And so anyway, let's get the chronograph going. Let's see what we got going here. And let's see, chronograph right there. Okay, range is set right. This is shooting a little faster. And on these, when you use a 499B shot tube, you need to listen for the BB clicking the magnet, because these barrels are real tight with these BBs, and you want to make sure it goes down. And I've got a little ramrod there, if I can't hear it, to push, make sure it goes down. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. I'll be shooting at the top target in the middle, the top row in the middle. $417. Okay, I never did hear that and go down. There it finally went down. Sometimes they're slow. $417 again. There she went. This is shot number 3. $416. This will be shot number 4. we go. $417. Okay, this will be shot number 5. Okay, that went down pretty fast. Okay, shot number 5. $411. And I'm just going to leave the chronograph running and we'll shoot some Army men. Well, I don't have them set up, so we'll forget the Army men. But anyway, here you go. Let me run down there and set up some Army men right quick. I just set up 3. I don't know where the others went to a while ago when I shot them, but I moved that white one over where I could see him. So there we go. Okay, here we go. $413. Blue Army man down. There she goes. $412. Missed the white one. Got him that time. There she goes down. The white ones sure give me trouble, don't they? There we go. All right. We got him that time. Anyway, that's I think a shot count, shot 10 times total. So let's see, right there shows, let's see, let me get over here. Average of 414, high of 417, low of 409, a spread of 8. And but anyway, there's a little bit of the stuff you might be able to see. So that pushed her up another notch. So this is the second fastest. And so anyway, turn the chronograph off. Okay, let's walk down there and look, see what kind of accuracy it had. Well, I'd say the accuracy's not too bad. This one right here, get down here where I can get to it. This one right here, where I was shooting at, that's 5 shots. So anyway, here's the first gun, that's the rattle trap, you know. And so that's the second one. So anyway, that's not too bad, doing good. We got a little more speed. Accuracy is maybe a little better. But anyway, that's a look at the second gun. And so with the next one we'll be shooting will be the fastest one of the series. It's a 1938B that I've converted. And so anyway, we'll see how that goes. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Help me out. And thank you for watching.